I just finished installing the WinCollect managed version. In my previous demos, I always used the standalone. I wanted to install the managed version. So the first thing, go to the WinCollect 101 page. Not only it gives you this warning about you needing to install patch 2 interim fix 2 to fix an authorized authentication problem with the token. But also has a place for downloading all the other files in here. When you click in this link, you will be able to download the following file. Let me actually show you what I downloaded. I downloaded the WinCollect SFS update. Okay, this is just for WinCollect, and I installed that first. Then I also downloaded that interim fix that I just mentioned about. And then I installed both the 64 version and the 32 version, as well as the patch installer for the standalone, which I'm not using in this video. So I have all the files installed. Let me show you in the QRadar terminal what I did. So I first mounted the WinCollect SFS update into media updates, then did a media updates installer, took all the default options for installing all the patch, and that concluded successfully. Then I did the same thing for the interim fix, the one that fixed that authentication problem, and that went okay as well. After doing that, I went to the authorization services, and I created this, and give it the same name of the agent, Win7 file FFWD, and generated a token. The token, you don't need to generate it with admin rights, which I did. You can actually, there's a pull down menu option here. When you are created, there's a WinCollect option if you want to make it more restrict. After doing that, I went to WinCollect, and this part I did not have to do at all. These parts I didn't have to do them when doing the standalone. So, but in the manage, you need to go here to destination and add one with the same file host name that we are using, and these are the actual parameters. So basically, this is the important part, and this needs to match with the installation that we will do, that I did actually on the Windows client. Here on the Windows client, what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to run the process again, and what this does is it uninstalls it. And I'm going to do that just to show you the steps I took. So let's and I'm going to run it again. Again, you will only do it once, but I'm just trying to show you the steps. So you go here, accept the license terms. You put here that Win7 file FWD. Just like that. Click next. Next is managed. That's the authenticator, the token that I just showed you. I did the copy and pasting it here. I put the QRadar IP address 172.16.60.10. That's the port. Here I decided to create a log source, and I put the same identifier as the host name. The target destination, I put 172.16.60.10, and I selected all the logs just for completeness. You can, if you don't need those, you don't need to check those. I took the defaults here, the default here, click next, install. That's in completed OK. And when I went to my QRadar system on the logs, I was able to get the logs from that particular machine. That machine is the 206. And I put a filter to wait for those here to come. Again, the most important lesson I learned today, go to this page to get this and this a day. Without those, I probably would have stumbled and wasted a lot of hours trying to install this.